Campus life is a major part of the college experience. It's a stepping stone towards personal growth and self-discovery. In this video, join us on a tour of our campus village apartments at Daemen University and see everything they have to offer. Let's get started. After your first year at Daemen, you're able to choose from a number of housing opportunities. Many students choose to remain on campus in our campus apartments. The campus village apartments are located right on the edge of Daemen's campus, which means you're still close to class and activities. Daemen University has 96 campus apartments, each housing 4 students in their own space. There's plenty of room to spread out and be comfortable. Each apartment has a full kitchen with seating, living room area, 4 bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms. Similar to Cannon Hall, our campus apartments each have 2 common lounge areas. These spaces are great for getting together with friends or studying for an exam. Free laundry is located on each floor. And yes, there's plenty of Wi-Fi throughout each apartment building. By living on campus, you have Daemen University right at your fingertips. Campus life is a major part of the university experience. It's a stepping stone towards personal growth and self-discovery. Thanks for watching this video. If you're ready to experience Daemen University firsthand, visit daemen.edu/admissions.